So let's go and visit Nanhu Park with me. And it's pretty cold, so I'm here. You can see it's sunshine, but still frozen Changchun. The temperature normally lives, temperature is normally minus 20, 25 degrees centigrade here, and you can see that I'm wearing warm clothes and a lot of stuff. It's not easy, but yeah, this city has centralized heating system, so inside is okay, but outside is pretty cold. You can see here the directions, Nanhu Dam, and I've been here before, so I can show you around. I used to come to this place many times. Okay, this was a lake, so let's go there and see. This is all frozen lake. In summer I used to come here, and that time it was a beautiful lake. People were sitting and singing here these places, but now you can see it's frozen. Still people are coming, but now it's frozen, and now you can walk. Actually this is a lake, but due to temperature is frozen. It's minus, as I told you earlier, that it's minus 25 degrees centigrade or more than that, sometimes minus 35, 20, 25. At this place, particular place, you can see that the temperature might be more than that. So you can see I'm walking on water, actually frozen water. So this all the area you can see, from that building to those buildings, and that a factory, I think. I don't know, no, not a factory, it's what kind of this heating system that smoke goes out. So you can see this is all frozen. You can see here. Yeah. And here I am. Okay. So my hands, yeah, I'm not wearing any gloves. So that's why it's pretty cold. Sometimes I need to change my hands. I'm holding my mobile phone in one hand, and then after some time I need to hold it in the other hand. You can see this ice. It looks beautiful. So all the water is frozen here, and even though it's sunny today, but the temperature remains same. That's why it's not melting down. People come here for ski or some normal visits here, So that is actually, they created a beach, and in summer you go there, take a boat and enjoy in this lake. But in winter you can just no need of a boat. You can just walk around. Yeah, that is beautiful. Okay. And yeah, in the evening there might be some lights and it will become more beautiful. Okay guys, I'm frozen already. I can't capture more. So see you next time. Bye bye. Take care. Hello guys. This is Changchun, minus 25 degrees centigrade or minus 30 or 35. Look, I'm on a frozen lake. This is frozen. All that lake is frozen. You can see. And normally in summer I come here just to enjoy the water, and yeah, it's frozen. Okay guys, this is Changchun. As you can see that guys are getting slides. I can't see in my mobile phone actually, this is too dark. But yeah, this is beautiful Changchun here. You see a lot of kids are playing and they're coming here, doing slides. They're enjoying their life. You see here, this is made of ice. Yeah, you see this one. I'm just walking around and actually like I could capture long videos, but the thing is my hands are frozen. I can't capture long videos. I'm also doing this one because it gets wet. So once more, here is the place. When I come here, you see some local ice. Okay guys, see you. This is Chan. So these are the ice cubes. You can see all these ice cubes here. Whenever you come near, the temperature is too low, and you can see all these ice cubes. Yeah, got it. See around. Yeah, it's beautiful. They cut it here and bring to those places, and they do skiing or wherever they need it. This is a frozen lake, by the way. So that's Changchun, guys, and these are the ice cubes they use for this one. Whenever they think like people are walking on the lake, so whenever they think that the layer is too thin, then they can put more ice inside, and that would be frozen again because of temperature. So they can put it anywhere they like. And if you like my videos, then just thumbs up and support my YouTube channel. I'll just go and do some travel logs and these things and show you around. Was in Changchun these days because of Chinese New Year holidays, so that's why I'm just capturing some of the videos here to keep you up to date about the recent things, ongoing things. Wherever I go, I just bring some videos for you guys, and you can see all these ice cubes here. They look pretty. They are not melting down because of the temperature here. It still stays like that. And yeah, this side there is no ice, but these sides you can see these ice cubes. Okay, thank you. See you next time.